Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's Academic Book 2, Test 1, the Writing Task 2, Advantages and Disadvantages. One result of advances in medical care is that life expectancy has increased around the world. Do you think the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Now, this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, describe the advantages of increased life expectancy. In para 2, discuss the disadvantages of increased life expectancy. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Now do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now in the introduction, describe the topic. The remarkable progress in medical care has led to a significant increase in life expectancy across the globe. In my opinion, despite certain challenges, the advantages of increased life expectancy clearly outweigh the disadvantages. And through this essay, I will give the reasons for my opinion. Now in para 1, discuss the advantages of increased life expectancy. The primary advantage stems from the increased opportunity for individuals to experience more from life. A longer lifespan allows people to be a part of their grandchildren's lives, and this helps their families to enjoy more years together. Furthermore, extended lives provide more time for personal growth, learning, and cultivation of deeper relationships. And lastly, from a social perspective, a larger population of experienced individuals can contribute valuable skills and knowledge to the workforce and community, thus promoting innovation and progress in various fields. In para 2, discuss the disadvantages of increased life expectancy. However, the increase in life expectancy may also present some challenges, and one of them being the potential strain on healthcare and social security services, as a larger elderly population requires more attention from such services. Also, longer lives can sometimes be accompanied by an increased prevalence of age-related diseases, placing further demands on healthcare infrastructure and potentially impacting the quality of life for some individuals. And all of this calls for adequate elder care and support systems. And finally, summarize the essay. To summarize, although the rise in global life expectancy due to advancements in medical care presents economical and social challenges, the benefits of a longer life cannot be overlooked. And that is why the benefits of a longer life clearly outweigh the disadvantages. Now the next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. And as always, thank you very much for watching.